Hi everyone, Sean Kennedy here from Java SE Certification Training YouTube channel. And what I would like to do in this video is to talk very specifically about Varargs. So here you can see you can use Varargs, which is this ... syntax, to stand in for an array. So as we know, main takes a string array, but you can replace it with the Varargs syntax. Now, I've declared another method here called go, and it has the Varargs syntax for string. So this essentially will be a string array that you'll be taking in here. But note the difference now. There are some technical differences between an array and a Varargs. For example, I can call the go method with no string, one string, or two strings, as many as I like. And that will be acceptable for this particular go method because it's working with Varargs. Whereas if I change it to an array, now I've got a problem. Or that's passing in nothing, that's passing in one string, and that's passing in two strings. Neither of them are arrays. That's not passing in an array, that's not passing in an array, and neither is that. So we're passing in 0 strings, 1 string, and 2 strings. And this says, okay, that's a variable array of arguments. That's a variable number of strings that you can take in. Even 0 is acceptable. However, if I run this program at this point, I'm going to get an array index out of bounds exception because I'm trying to access the second one, and there's none there, and there's none there. Let's do that and see what happens. Array index out of bounds exception. The other thing is that Varargs must be the last argument. So in other words, if I try to put an int here, it's going to give out straight away. The Varargs parameter must be the last parameter. And that makes sense considering that you can call it in this style, and this style. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about was that you cannot overload that particular method go with a go method that takes in a string array. Overloading the method means that the method has the same name but different signatures, in other words different argument types and or numbers of arguments. So here it's saying that it is the same. Whereas if I decided, well, let's put in an int y, it's overloading it, but now it's giving out about this b because it can't find b. That was just to show you that you could overload it using an int. So there were just some things that I wanted to point out with regard to Varargs. If you liked the video, please click like. If you'd like further content, please hit subscribe. Any comments, please leave them below. Thanks very much.